Good afternoon. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, doing a quick walk around for our 2008 Porsche 911 997 C4. Gorgeous build. This is slate gray metallic over sand beige full leather. I don't think they missed an option when they built this car, but I could be wrong. I love the lobster claw wheels. I know that they're a love or don't love. I'm a love guy. I also love the full wood in this car. How cool is that? Center console matches the steering wheel. But yeah, full leather dash, suede headliner. Just clean as can be. People love to look at these door panels. I'll show you the edge of them too. No curb rash on any of the wheels. Excellent tires. No smells, no stains. No bummers at all, guys. We're gonna do some outdoor photography here in a little bit, but if there's anything else you want me to take a picture of or video, I'm happy to do it. Just leave a request in the comments and I'll get right at it. Thanks, guys.